So here's AI Mirror app. It's a popular app for hugs video and photo. It's a popular AI app. So yeah, here you can just see it. Anime cartoon and hugs video. So here you can just see how it looks like. This is basically a kind of like a AI photo generator app, which has yearly option for $40. You can use free trial here. There is also like an offer like that for $30, just 25% off anywhere you just using this app, and you can see this pop up. So feel free to use it. And then yeah, you have all the different styles here. Like you can have trending generators. You just have it here. Then there are all types of AI tools like Magic Brush, AI Video, Photo Enhancer, AI Eraser, AI Photo. So then you just select your gender and then you create photos for LinkedIn, for vacation, for street shot, for some old school like latex, whatever. Then you have your account, and then you can go to settings. You can get your photos here. So yeah, that's the app. Basically, I mean, you're just doing all of this stuff, and then you can just go and upload your photo. So yeah, then you can just select it, and then you can just draw it like that, the area to scale, whatever. So then, for example, you can just use one photo, just as an example here. The art is ready, try free to enjoy now. So now you just tap try free, and then eventually need to upgrade. So anyhow, that's just what it is.